Hello dear student, I am Professor Namrata Shrivastava, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from SISTec-R, Ratibad, Bhopal. Today I am here to present a topic Peephole optimization. So what is peephole optimization? It is a small window which is moved over the instruction or target code. It is an optimizing technique. It is a simple and effective technique which is used to improving the performing of target code. Characteristics, or you can say techniques, are: first is elimination of redundant load and store. Here a code is given in which state instruction move R0 to A. After some statement, again use move A to R0. So this is a wrong way whenever R0 is not used. So we can eliminate this type of code. Next one, elimination of multiple jumps. Multiple jumps, like again in a given code, first statement is go to L1. It means go to level 1. And after some statement, L1 again declared go to L2. So we can eliminate multiple jumps and directly use instruction go to L2. Next is elimination of unreachable code. Unreachable code, just like you can say dead code. Suppose here given define d equals to 1. It means a declaration or assignment d equals to 1, and after a few statements we are checking if d equals to 0, then go to L2. So go to L2 is a unreachable. Next is elimination of unreachable code. Unreachable code, just like you can say dead code. Suppose here given define d equals to 1. It means a declaration or assignment d equals to 1, and after a few statements we are checking if d equals to 0, then go to L2. So go to L2 is a unreachable code or dead code, because we already given a value of d is equals to 1 and we never use decrement operator. So it is impossible. Next one, algebraic simplification. In algebraic simplification, x plus 0 equals to x. This is actually useless. So we can eliminate this and directly use x. Next, reduction in strength. So in reduction strength, here given is b equals to a multiplied by 2. And as you know that strength of multiplication is more than strength of addition. So in this case we can use plus at the place of multiplication. So this code can be eliminated and write like b equals to a plus a. Use of machine items. Machine items just like I++ or I minus minus, pre and post operators. So here if given I equals to I plus 1 and again the 3 address code for the above code, so we can eliminate this code and just use I plus plus for the increment purpose. So these are few characteristics of Peephole optimization, and thank you so much. If you have any queries or any doubts, so you can drop a message or you can call me. Thank you.